I've given away millions of dollars in cash, cars, and even a private island. But today, we're doing something completely different. Purple stones have always screamed royalty, power, and mystery, but some are literally rarer than a king's crown. We're talking about gems so scarce. Most people have never even heard of them, let alone seen one in person. I sent my team all over the world with a simple mission: find the rarest, most insane purple gemstones that exist. And trust me, they delivered. Today we're going to count down the 8 rarest purple gemstones on the planet, ranked by their scarcity, value, and sheer awesomeness. Here they are. Number 8. The electric purple gem from one mine. Sugilite looks pulled from a superhero movie. Look at this thing. Not just purple, electric, vibrant, almost neon purple you don't see in other stones. Deep, rich color ranges from pinkish purple to a really dark, intense violet. Absolutely insane brightness, completely natural. Not dyed or treated, this is how it comes out of the ground. Only found in a handful of places worldwide. But the vast majority of gem-grade sugilite comes from the Wessels mine, South Africa. One single mine is the primary source. Think about that. All the gold, all the diamonds come from countless mines, but sugilite is almost all one spot. That scarcity drives collectors crazy. The best is called gel sugilite. Slightly translucent, jelly-like, it glows when held to light. Not a flat color, it has depth. You can see light penetrating the stone, making the purple pop. Pure purple without black matrix, without brown matrix, is the ultimate collector prize. Number 7. The swirling purple stone found only in Siberia. Alright, coming in at number 7 is a stone that looks more like a painting than a rock. This is charwat, and it is absolutely mesmerizing. Look at the patterns in this thing. It has these incredible swirls, feathers, waves, lavender, lilac, deep violet, all mixed together. No two pieces of charwat are ever the same. Each one is a completely unique work of art created by nature. It's like someone took purple paint and swirled it into a stone. The reason charwat is so high on our list of rare gems is absolutely insane. Just like sugilite, its rarity is all about location, but charwat takes it to a whole new level. This stone is found in only one place on the entire planet. Along the Kara River in Siberia, Russia. That's it, nowhere else. If that deposit runs out, there will be no more charwat in the world. Ever. The sheer exclusivity of its origin makes it one of the rarest gems you can own. Imagine trying to mine something in Siberia. Number 6. The purple gem more convincing than a sapphire. Next up at number 6, we have a gem that has fooled royalty for centuries. Purple spinel. For hundreds of years, some of the most famous rubies and sapphires in crown jewels around the world were actually spinels. The famous Black Prince's ruby in the British crown jewels. It's not a ruby, it's a massive red spinel. This stone is the ultimate imposter, but in the world of gems, being this good of a look-alike is a superpower, especially when it comes to the incredibly rare purple variety. Purple spinel is treasured for its rich, intense purple hues that can range from a soft lavender to a deep royal violet. Unlike many other gems, the color in spinel is completely natural. It's almost never heat-treated or enhanced, which is a huge deal for collectors. What you see is exactly what came out of the ground. This purity of color, combined with its excellent brilliance and fire, means it can often look even better than a sapphire. It just sparkles with an intensity that's hard to beat. So why is it so rare? While spinel is found in a few locations like Myanmar, Sri Lanka, and Tanzania, finding one with a pure, saturated purple color is incredibly difficult. Most spinel is red, pink, or blue. The specific geological conditions needed to create a perfect purple are extremely uncommon. You need the right balance of trace elements like iron, chromium, and cobalt, and even then, the color can be too pale, too dark, or have unwanted brownish tones. This makes a top-quality purple spinel a true collector's item. For a long time, spinel was wildly undervalued, precisely because it was mistaken for other gems. But now, collectors are in on the secret. They know how rare and beautiful these stones are, and prices for the best purple and violet spinels have skyrocketed in recent years. We managed to get this incredible faceted purple spinel, and you can see its amazing clarity and sparkle. It's almost perfectly clean, with no visible inclusions, which is another factor that makes it so valuable. This gem is also incredibly durable, ranking an 8 on the Mohs hardness scale, making it perfect for jewelry that can be worn every day. It's beautiful, it's tough, and its rarity is its best-kept secret. Cracking the top 5, we have a gemstone with a beautiful color and a very strange weakness. This is kunzite. At its best, this gem displays a stunning lilac-pink rich violet purple that is absolutely gorgeous. Alright, things are getting serious now. At number 4 we have a gemstone that is pure magic. This is alexandrite. It completely changes color depending on the light you're in. This isn't a subtle shift, it's dramatic, jaw-dropping. An alexandrite can look green in daylight, then turn reddish-purple under incandescent light, like owning 2 different gems in one. Most people know the green to red change, but purplish variants are even rarer. They shift from bluish-green to a distinct purple, or violet. Finding a strong color change alexandrite is like a needle in a haystack. One that shifts to a vibrant purple? That's the purple needle in a universe of haystacks. The reason is its unique chemistry. Alexandrite is chrysoberyl, with traces of chromium. Chromium atoms absorb light in specific ways to create the effect. Strength and clarity of change determine value. Muddy green, brownish red. Okay, vivid green, bright purple, Nachinsk holy grail. These stones often sell for more than diamonds, discovered in Russia's Ural Mountains in the 1830s. Original Russian mines are depleted, those stones are priceless. Today small deposits exist in Brazil, Sri Lanka, East Africa. Supply extremely limited, collector demand is off the charts. We have an alexandrite here, watch this. Daylight spectrum lamp, greenish blue. Switch, incandescent, bam, reddish purple. This effect never gets old. A gem that performs a magic trick right in front of your eyes is one of the rarest treasures on Earth. Number 3. The secret purple king of sapphires. We are in the top 3. At number 3 is a gem you think you know, but with a rare and valuable twist. Everyone has heard of sapphire. You think of a deep blue stone, right? But sapphires can come in almost every color of the rainbow, known as fancy sapphires. And one of the rarest and most beautiful of all is the purple sapphire. We're not talking about a pale lavender or a pinkish purple. We're talking about a true, rich, velvety purple. What makes a purple sapphire so special is its purity of color. Most purple gems get their color from a mix of elements that also create blue and red light, like an alexandrite. But a true purple sapphire has a perfect balance, creating a pure, unadulterated purple hue that is breathtaking. Finding one without any secondary tones of blue or pink is incredibly rare. The market is flooded with color-treated sapphires, so finding a natural, unheated purple sapphire with top color is a major score. Number 2. The blue-violet gem from One Mountain. We are at number 2, and this spot is reserved for a modern legend. This is tanzanite, a gemstone that is 1,000 times rarer than diamond. Let that sink in, 1,000 times rarer. It is found in only one place on Earth, not one country, not one region, but a tiny 4-square-kilometer patch of land in the Merelani Hills of northern Tanzania, in the shadow of Mount Kilimanjaro. That is the only place in the entire world this stone has ever been found. When that single source is mined out, expected within our lifetime, there will be no more new tanzanite. The world's supply will be completely finite. That's what makes it electrifying for collectors and investors. It is not just a beautiful stone. It's a ticking clock. Every piece mined is one piece closer to the end, making top-quality gems far more valuable. Tanzanite is famous for its mesmerizing color. This gem has extremely strong trichrism, 3 different colors from 3 directions. An investment-grade, top-color tanzanite. Look at the flashes of blue and purple as I turn it. It's electric. Number 1. The Viking Compass Gem. That's rarer than all. And here it is. The number 1 rarest purple gemstone on our list. You might be expecting a famous name, but the rarest treasures are often hiding in plain sight. This is iolite. I know what you're thinking. Iolite, not the common grayish-blue stone, the ultra-rare deep violet variety, nicknamed water sapphire. Its secret makes it number 1. The defining feature is extreme pleochroism, even stronger than kunzite or tanzanite. From one angle, deep sapphire-like violet blue. Turn a few degrees, almost colorless like water. Turn again, yellowish-gray. Ancient Vikings allegedly used thin slices as polarizing filters to find the sun. They called them Vikings' compass. That pleochroism makes iolite a nightmare to cut. Cutters often sacrifice 80 to 90% of the rough. They orient the crystal so the deep color faces up. Because of huge material loss and scarce clean rough large top color iolites are almost mythical. Which gem was your favorite? And that's a wrap. From the electric purple of sugilite to the Vikings' compass, iolite, we've just seen 8 of the rarest and most incredible purple gemstones on the entire planet. It's insane to think that these treasures are hiding deep inside the earth, and that we're lucky enough to see them. Each one has a crazy story of rarity, whether it's from a single mine in Africa, a frozen river in Siberia, or a mountain that's running out of time. The world of gemstones is so much bigger and more mysterious than just diamonds and rubies. These 8 gems prove that rarity and beauty come in all shades of purple. I want to know which one completely blew your mind. Was it the color-changing magic of alexandrite? The insane, one-location rarity of tanzanite? Or were you shocked that our #1 pick was the humble iolite? Let me know in the comments below which gem you think was the coolest. I read all of them. And, if you thought this video was crazy, you have to smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications because you do not want to miss what's coming next. This was just the beginning.